We're now less than 3 minutes until the plan to lift off the ULA's first Vulcan rocket. This also marks the beginning of the first voyage for the Peregrine lunar lander.
38. Status check.
20 seconds.
Go Vulcan. Go Centaur. Go Peregrine.
And here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. BE4 engine ignition.
Release.
And liftoff for the very first time of United Launch Alliance's Vulcan rocket. Powered by 2 solid rocket boosters and a pair of BE4 engines on that Vulcan first stage. Now 30 seconds into flight, let's listen to the rumble of the BE4 engines igniting for the very first time, supporting the launch of a Vulcan rocket. We're approaching max Q, the point of greatest aerodynamic pressure, coming up 10 seconds. Solid rocket booster separation coming up momentarily. So far, so good. And heard that call out that Vulcan has passed the Kármán line, and for the first time, a Vulcan rocket is now in space.
We have Vulcan Centaur separation. Everything looking good. Up on the Centaur phase.
And from the view of those 2 RL-10C1-1 engines as they ignite now for the first time on this flight.
Data loss here. Cover the data. Engines are up and running normally.
And there you see the animation of the payload fairings falling away, simulating what we would be experiencing at this stage of the flight.